Hello students of Standard 2nd, welcome you all to DA1 Public School e-learning class. I am your English teacher Renuka Sachdeval. So let us begin our today's online session of English. Dear students, today we will continue with the same lesson with the same topic that is your bag, not mine. This is part 2. So let's start. Let us take a short recap of first part, what we have learned there. After walking for some time, the ill donkey became tired. He said to the other donkey, "Brother, I am not feeling well. Can you take one of my bags?" The other donkey was not kind and helpful. He replied, "I already have 3 bags. I am carrying mine. You carry yours." Saying this, he walked on. The ill donkey walked as far as he could and then fell down dead. One of his bags went over the hill. Ram was very sad. He sat down near the dead donkey. Then, then he took the 2 bags that were left and put them on the other donkey. Now the other donkey felt sorry that he had not helped his ill brother. He would have to carry only one extra bag then. So this is the lesson. What do you learn from this lesson, dear students? Yes, we have to be help to needy person. Whenever we will see such type of needy person, we have to help them. Now this is your homework time. Let's take our today's homework. Look at here. This is question number 2nd. Answer the following questions. Okay, these are the questions given here. You have to be write the question and then answer in your notebook. See, the first one is how many donkeys are there in the story? Whenever you will write the answer, you should write in a complete sentence. So how you will write the answer of this question? Yes, there are 2 donkeys in the story. Okay, how will you will write? There are 2 donkeys in the story. See the second one. Whose donkeys were they? They were Ram's donkeys. They were Ram's donkeys. Number C. How many bags did each donkey carry? Each donkey carry equal 3 bags. In the same way, you will write the answers of all these questions. The next is question number 4. Filling the blanks with suitable words from the box. Okay, this is the help box where the words have been given. Take help from there and choose the correct word of each statement and fill it. See the first one. Ram was going on a blank to the hills. Okay, so what will be the answer? Yes, Ram was going on a trip to the hills. He put blank bags on both the donkeys. He put equal bags on both the donkeys. One of the donkey was ill. In this way, you will solve this question. Question number 5. Rewrite the following lines by putting the full stop and capital letters at appropriate places. Okay. One sentence has been given here. You have to be punctuate it in a proper way. Dear students, here we end this lesson today. Hope you have understood this lesson properly and learn some moral values from it. We will see you in our next session with new topic and new lesson. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.